The Prophet said in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1894, that fasting is a shield. The similar message is repeated in Sahih Bukhari, volume 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1904. The Prophet said, fasting is a shield. It will protect you from the hellfire and prevent you from doing sins. The reason our beloved Prophet Muhammad said this is because that when a person eats and when his stomach is full, that's the time he can think of doing other deeds, many of which may be haram, which may be wrong. But once a person is hungry, he doesn't think of these haram things. Only when the tummy is full can you think of doing something else. Imagine if you're hungry. If you're really very hungry, you will not think of going to a movie. When you're really hungry, you won't think of listening to music. So that's the reason when a person is hungry, it prevents him from doing the sins. That is the reason Prophet said that it is like a shield.